We just stopped and we're just gonna have breakfast quickly, even though it's horrifically cold. They're using the bathroom and I'm trying not to die because I'm just wearing shorts and sandals, but it is horrifically cold. It is way too cold outside, and yeah, no, I'm staying in the car. I'm not gonna stay outside. I don't have the right clothes for this weather. So we're just waiting on the second car. There's something wrong there, but the weather is so much better now than it was earlier. It was insanely cold, but this is so nice. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to the pool. Everybody's just getting dressed, and then we'll head back to the pool and probably spend most of the afternoon there. Also, we might get some rain. I'm hoping we get some rain. This place is so nice.
I swear I never seen you niggas a goddamn day in my life. Ain't no hidden agendas, bitch. We need that guap straight like that.
I've got this nice little, like a nice little deck. Look at that.
I'm a dirty Glock type, you a dirty sock type. Funny ass sitcom, dirty rock type. Me, I'm on Coinbase.
We've got the sunset spot right there. They actually put up like chairs and tables, and then you can go sit up there and just watch the sunset as it goes just behind this tree here. I'm actually really glad that I did the Casey Neistat glasses just before we went on this trip, because it's actually pretty helpful. And I'm starting to grow on the look, you know. At first I was like, it looks...
I can't be taking Zoom calls at the plug house, trying to reach the minds of the young niggas thugged out. All the black leaders either bougie or they drugged out. Deeper they did, the blacker my earth.
There's honestly so many people here. Well, not so many, but a lot more than I expected would be here.
On the roof, blacker the berry, more drippy your juice. They tryna hide your actual roots. I black out the window and
so you have this little chain, and if you use the bathroom, then you just put the chain on. Just put on there. We have the basin, a little mirror, and a working toilet, which is amazing. And then you have a light. The only downside is you kind of have to share it with other people, which is not always the best, but also not the worst. And then we have a shower, so they will put wood in there and burn it at a certain time of day, and that gives you hot water. And again, the door just works with a chain. And you have a really decent shower. And you have a mirror. So I was actually just thinking we'd be very lucky if we find elephant tracks, because elephants, this is actually their home. This is so close to a river that there's actually elephants in this area, and I was thinking if we would be very lucky if we found elephant tracks. And just as I looked down, guess what? Elephant tracks right in front of me. Look at that. These ones don't look pretty big. I mean, it's a bit bigger than my hand, but you can see it goes, or it comes from there, and I'm guessing they walked across here, and then you can kind of just see the The tracks continue here. So besides the normal campsites where you bring your own tent and your own everything, they also have these. I think this is a chalet actually. It actually looks so nice on the inside. Like it's got sliding doors, it looks like. Right area. But I would not mind staying in that, even though the problem you have sometimes with that is that there will be, and I mean it's in a tree, so you've got spiders and scorpions, I'm guessing, and snakes, but I think these people actually do a very good job at keeping the places clean, so it's not really something you have to worry about. But for me, I will just be thinking about that the whole time and I will not be able to sleep at all, even though I would. Okay, so the battery just died, but anyway, as I was saying, I would not mind staying in something like that, even though I'll be a little paranoid. But yeah, it really does look pretty cool. Another thing that I hate about this place, or the only thing I hate about this place, is that the flies. The flies can be so obnoxious. It's insane. Sometimes I feel like wearing like a, you know, the beekeeper's helmet or net, not helmet but hat with the net over it. I feel like wearing that just to keep the flies out of your face.
I black out the window and back on my coupe. I don't need no theories, I'm actual proof. Hammer chisel already chipped the hardest nigga here. I felt like the greatest, I'm the Carter to my peers. I know that the faith will take me farther than the fear. Tryna keep the family first, the father of the year. Gold on
I just imagine a crocodile or something jumping out of here and trying to attack you.
Let me just block it. Just kidding. Where do you go? Hello. You go head first in.
Hi, Joshua, my phone.
Climbed up.
Hurry. Josh, hi.
You look like you're taking off. Lisa, don't do the worm on there. How do you feel? Good.
All a nigga really need is knowledge of the self. Vintage shit from Asia, you won't find it on the shelf. Get the money, disregard, I haul it for your health. Drop
You got one big ass though. I have big bunda.
Don't start.
Don't you think? Oh, come on, no, don't, Joshua.
I'll just grab you by the neck and you slip out of your hoodie. Hava!
Yeah?
Hello!
ceiling, my feet on the roof. Blacker the berry, more drippy your juice. Ding, they tryna hide your actual roots.
Okay, so day is basically over. The sun has set. We had a beautiful sunset. I'll pop a photo up just here. And yeah, the weather is actually beautiful. I thought it might blow wind. I thought we might get some rain. There is clouds, kind of. But yeah, here's to an amazing day.
On the shelf, get the money, disregard, I haul it for your health. Drop a little Henny in the cola, got me spinning. Wonder bread.
Okay, so this is how the shower works. They burn wood in there and that gives the showers hot water. But it's literal fire, so the water that comes out of there is boiling hot because it's literal fire.
I believe in myself and my goals.